Hello everyone. Today I will show you how I have developed flight management system. Firstly, we'll go through the database. Here, these are the tables that I have implemented. Uh, this is the aeroplane table with ID, name, flight number. This is the airport table, ID, primary key, name, country. This is the seats table in which we have airplane as the foreign key with alphabet, number, class of particular seat, whether it is near exit or not. This is flight schedule table in which we have aeroplane foreign key ID, departure ID, arrival ID from the airport table, departure date and time, arrival date and time, slug and is active. We have seat schedule table. Here we have flight schedule ID as a foreign key, seat ID from the seats table, price, whether it's locked or not. If it's locked, then the particular time and it's booked or not. In booking table, we have user ID foreign key, flight schedule ID, booking number, and other things. And in booking seats, we have booking ID as a foreign key and all the seats here with its details, discount, final amount, date of birth, and all. This is the permission table in which we have all the permission which is but for the particular URL, and this permission will assign to the particular role, and in the role these roles are will assign to the particular users. Whenever user will come, they will see this particular page. Here we have all the schedule flights. This is, currently I have added to this flight, but we can add more of the flights. It's totally dynamically. If user wants to book the seat particular, they will click on the book now. If user is not logged in, then they have to do login first. After doing login, they will see this particular seat page. Here we have a log seat and book seat. Log seat will come with the gray color and book seat will black color. These all are the book seat. Here we have total number of seat selection. The user wants to maximum, they can select only 6 seats. We have random selection and avoid 5 exit seats. Okay. If user will select 3, and if they can't do proceed until unless they will select the seats. Let's see they say select these particular seats, then it will the process button will become visible. They will go on the process button and they have to fill the all the form. Now as we can see here in admin page, those seats are now blocked now, as you can see. Now for now these particular seats we have to unlock in the 10 particular minutes of time. Okay, for that we have to run the cron job in the server, but in the local file we have to run particular command. This is the schedule artisan. This will not unlock the seats. Why? Because there is no 10 minutes time gap. So what we have to do, we have to just go here and we have to particular lock seat. Here you can see if I will change here the timing, uh, let's change the date itself. Here I will change the date to 25. Now there is a time is more than 10 minutes. Okay, if I will run this again and I will refresh it, see the one seat is become active again. So this is the feature I have implemented, but for the server we have to add the cron job for it. Now if here user, when user will come here, user have to fill the data. Here you can see if I will fill the data. Now if user is the age of the particular user is less than 15 years, then user will get the discount. Now if I will change here, let's say 2010, see now it will visible the user is eligible for 125 discount. For here if I will change the year here, let's say 2015, then it will show the user is eligible for 25% of discount. Now if I will click on pay, it will book the seat. Now I will go to the booking page. Here you can see the all the bookings of particular user. Here you can see there is action here. You cannot cancel within a 72 hours of departure. But for let's say if I will change the departure date, if its departure date is 27, if I will change it to 27 to 30, so the time is more than 72 hours. Now if I will refresh here, see, now the user can cancel the particular booking with the alertation. Now let me explain the how particular algorithm works. Let's go here and let's book these particular seats. Okay, if we'll select, like we can see these are 4 seats. Okay, and which is let's say it's totally random. Let's process here. Let's fill the fake data. Let's do pay now. Okay, now if we will go to the book now, what it will do, it will first book the fire exit seats. Okay, so we don't have to worry about the fire exit seat, whether it will booked or not. So how the algorithm work, it will first book the fire exit seat. Okay, now let's see, whether we are going for the 5 seats. Okay, but now we are doing a random seat and the user will avoid the fire exit seats. Okay, now let's do proceed. Now let's see random data, then pay now. Okay, now if you go book now here, Now you can see it will book the seat row wise. So the person they can sit next to each other. See now again I will see three, avoid fire exits, random selection, proceed, field data, pay now, let's check again. See now it will go. So algorithm will work row wise. So the person they can sit next to each other. Here I have one more feature. Let's say user is avoiding the fire exit seats. Okay. So user can't select the seats which are near the fire exit as you can see. If I will unclick this, now user can select the particular seat. This all the functionality it will work for the all the flight. Let's say let's go here. If we will select the three here, then let's see here, then see proceed. This is also book as you can see it will lock again here. If you show here, see now these three seats are locked. So this all the feature will work all the flights. It's totally dynamically. One more feature I have implemented, if user go to the profile page, now user can update their name, email address, whether they want to change their current password, new password, they can delete their account, they can do all the perform operations here. Now let's go through the admin side process. This is the same login form that will work for all the users, whether it's admin, whether it's staff, or whether it's normal user. Let me just log in as a admin. If I will log in, it will redirect me to the admin dashboard. Here you can see all the staff, permission, bookings, and flights. This is all staff. Here we can see all the users and staff here. Here all the permission. These all are the permission for I have made for the particular URL. So if this permission will assign to particular role and the particular role will assign to the particular user. So if you go here and we can see staff permission. Here I have total three role: super admin, staff, user. Let's we will click on the edit. Here we can see all the permissions that we have made and we have to just assign the particular permission for particular role. If you'll go here, let's say if a user don't have any permissions, so this particular role, if we can see here, if we'll go to add staff, here we can add new staff and the permission here. And if we'll go here and change the particular role of particular staff. This is admin side. Let me just go through the staff side and admin side how it will work. So this is the staff login I have already done. So here you can see if user will try to access particular URL, see they will see this error like user don't have access to particular again. Now if I will go to the all the scheduled flights, here you can see here we have two buttons, book and show, because user staff have only this permission. They can book particular seat or they can show particular seat of they can lock and unlock particular seat. Okay, if I will go to this admin side and if I will go through the staff permission and I will go to the staff permission and if I will just change the scheduled flights to off and if I will save it, now user won't be able to check here. See now they will get this error like user don't have permission. Okay, if I will change it again, staff here, if I will do schedule flight on and save it again, here if I will refresh again, see now they can access particular URL. Here we can add new flight as well. Like we have to just select the aeroplane, we have to prompt the departure, arrival, and the particular time and the arrival date and time. It will generate new flight. Here let's assume I will add this and I will save it. See here you can see the new schedule flight is generated. Now let's go through the staff side, like staff how staff will do lock and unlock seats. See now if we can go here, let's go to the second this aeroplane. Okay, see now we can see there is three seats that are locked now. So user will try to unlock seats. Okay, see this seat is unlocked now. The design I have made here, it's completely responsive, so user can do booking from the mobile as well. As you can see here, it's totally responsive here. If I will go book here, as you can see here, so it's a totally responsive design, so user can book from the mobile as well. Additionally, I have to implement this feature like if I will go to the add new flight, here we can see that I have add option as the price. So it will apply to the, all the seats of particular scheduled seats. Okay. So instead of this, I should have implement like for all the classes, there will be different prices. And also for if user is selecting their choice of seats, then they should have to pay the extra charges for selection of the seats.